Welcome to the first session of the online preschool setup challenge. In this session, I'm going to talk about the basic hardware and software that you will require in order to set up a system for conducting online sessions. To make it easy for you, I have categorized these tools in 4 categories. The only hardware required in order to set up your system is a laptop or a desktop with a webcam, good quality headphones with mic, and a Wi-Fi connection. So, if you have the above 3 in place, you are good to go. Now let us talk about the softwares or online applications that you will have to register on. Sign up for a Zoom account. Now, I know you must be worried about the security issues about Zoom, but don't worry. I have been using Zoom for more than 3 years and it's a very secure application. All you need to know is the kind of settings you need to set while you sign up for the Zoom account. If you follow the steps as mentioned in this course, don't worry about your data security. Trust me, your sessions will be safe and secure. One more online application you will need to sign up for is bulk SMS plans. Registering on this platform will enable you to schedule daily messages to parents as reminders for the online sessions you conduct. Once you have these softwares and applications in place, let's move on to the next category, and that is lesson plans. Now I'm sure you already have the lesson plans available with you, but these are the lesson plans which were designed to conduct physical sessions. You will have to modify or redesign the existing lesson plans so that you can conduct online sessions. For this, you do not require any kind of a complex application or costly software. All you require is Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. I'm sure each one of you has been using Word and PowerPoint. In the third session, I'll guide you on how you can create the lesson plans with the help of Word and PowerPoint so that you will be able to conduct flawless online sessions that will look professional. Moving ahead with the next and the last category, and that is assignments. Now that you will be conducting online sessions, you won't be able to share physical assignments or sheets with the students. Thus, using Google Forms is the best idea to take the whole assignments from offline to online. I'll be covering this topic in detail in the third session. I'm sure you are now clear with the tools, applications, and softwares that you will need in order to set up your system to conduct online sessions. Let's move on to the second session, which is the most important session. In the next session, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of setting up the right system. So, see you in the next session.